In this video, you will learn about the different options of the Endnote in Microsoft Word. And here is a review article about the oxidative stress in poultry lessons from the viral infections that is already published in Oxidative Medicine and Cellular Longevity. And I am using the different options of the Endnote which are present into the Endnote. First, from the Word file, you can go to the Endnote by clicking here. Here you can see. A window of the EndNote is opened by just clicking on the EndNote options. Go to EndNote options from the EndNote. Here is another icon from where you can you can use the insert citation, insert selected citation, insert notes, and insert figures. In the EndNote, then edit and manage citation. If we click on this, you can see there are, for example, here is a one and two reference are selected. If I want to delete or edit the reference library reference, then I can do that. I can find reference updates and I can remove the citation, I can insert the citation, and I can update from my library. For example, if I want to remove the citation one, that is back at all in 2000, published in 2000. If I want to remove this, I can just click on the remove option and the reference will be removed, and then I have to click on OK. And here you can see updating EndNote 9 X9 updating in text citation. Because I have removed the option 1, so all the citations will be updated automatically. Here you can see the change like that. Then and in this way you can edit and manage the citations in the Word using the icon of EndNote. Then edit library. You can also edit any reference from the library. Library means the library which is in the EndNote library. Just you have to click here, edit library reference, and for example, I'm interested about the reference 6 or 7, and I want to edit it from the edit library. I just have to click on the edit library, and the window is open. Here I can change the name of the authors or anything which I want to edit. For example, here I am changing the year from 2002 to 2003, and just I have closed this, and library is saved here. And when I will click on my EndNote reference, EndNote, when I will click on my Word file and click on the update citations and bibliography, then citations and bibliography will be updated. And here about the reference number 6, you can see there will be a change from 2002 to 2002 to 2003. Here you can see reference number 7, for which I have changed the year from 2002 to 2003. Here you can see that the reference is updated. So in this way, you can edit the library references. And then another option in the Word is about the style. And here there are many styles, and even you can make your own styles within that note. Every style which you will make in that note will appear here. And if I want to change from number to the veterinary microbiology style, here you can see the references, all the citations and the references will be updated according to the style of the veterinary microbiology with just one click. Here you can see the references, citations are changed, and these citations are according to the style of the Journal of Veterinary Microbiology. And at the end, you can see here there is a change in the list of the author, and all is changed according to the authors, according to the style of the veterinary microbiology journal. Here. Then update citation and bibliography. If I want to update, I want to update all the citations and references according to the style, I just have to click on update citations and bibliography, and all the references will be updated. Now, usually, when we download the references from the different databases, these may not be updated, and sometimes we have to update all these references. Just there may be I have we have intentionally made a mistake in this reference of Dev Das 2003 Journal of Experimental Medicine. And if I want to, because there is a mistake in this reference, I need to update it. For that, I have just right click the option, right click on the selected reference, then find reference update. I am finding the reference update, and the reference will be updated automatically. It will search from the here. Here you can see a new window is pop up, and here is my references, and here is the available update. And if I want to update all fields, I can. If I want to update empty fields, then I can. Then if I want to edit reference, then I can. Here in this case, I want to update all fields, and here you can see uh, reference is updated. Here at the end, I'm searching the reference Devdas. Here you can see because we have intentionally changed the year from 2002 to 2003. Here the year is 2003. But in the library we have updated the reference, and now if I want to update the citations and bibliography, then these will be updated automatically. If I click on the option update citations and bibliography, now I am selecting it, and all the references will be updated. And especially we will look at the Devdas reference because it should change from 2003 to 2002. Here you can see the reference is updated, and it is 2002 instead of 2003 because we have updated the reference in the reference library. Now convert the citations and bibliography. We can convert the unformatted citations to convert to unformatted citations. If we will click on this, then just look at this. All the citations will be unformatted. Here, another option, convert to unformatted citation. We have to click on this, and all the here there is a citation, but it is unformatted. So in this way, we can convert the citations and bibliography to convert to unformatted citations. But I want again I don't update it. Here you can see there will be a change, and all the citations and the references will be updated. There is a new window will pop up, and I'm saying insert ignore all. It will take few seconds, and it will depend on the number of citations present within the word file, and also on the generation of your computer. And here you can see all the references are updated again. And now, second option, if I want to convert the citations into the plain text, convert to plain text without links, then I can do that. Just I have to click on that. Just I have to select it, convert plain text. Do you wish to continue? Yes. And here, this article you can see there will not be any link between the citations. Here you can see there is not any link between this citation and at the end in the references. So in this way you can you can create the plain text from the without having any link. between the citations and references. Then convert reference manager citations to EndNote. You can do that, and then convert word citations to EndNote. Even that if some citations are present in the word, and if you want to convert it from word citations to EndNotes, you can do that. I have clicked on that. Here you will see the changes which will be made by the EndNote and Word. Because it was library is already open, and all the citations are citation and references are present in the library from where it is cited. So no change was seen. From the categorized references, you can categorize the references on the basis of cited, non-cited, or anything else. You can create the categories, and you can do that within the Word. And then turn on instant formatting, turn instant formatting on. Usually what happens when anyone is writing, there may be every time when you cite a reference, there will be automatic formatting of the citations, and your computer may take few seconds to update all the references. For that, if for example, if I am writing, then I will turn it off, and when I turn it off, it means when I write something new, instant formatting will not be done. And at the end, for example, in this case, you can see there are some references which are not updated. If at the end, if I want to turn if I want to close this Word file, and then just I will click on update citation and bibliography once, and all the formatting will be completed within few seconds. So you don't need to do this again and again for every citation. Then you can uh, also configure instant formatting. Instant formatting, you can do this for the temporary citations or anything else, or you can do that within the Word, and then export to EndNote. Export traveling library, you can do that. Export the traveling library to the EndNote. Export the word citation. Export the word master list. Then manuscript matcher, you can use this tool for the matching of the for the manuscript other manuscripts. And by using this option, then you can use the preferences options of the EndNote. Then there are some other tools within the EndNote from where you can format the bibliographies. For example, you can format output style, then you can underline the links in the text, then even you can change the layout. For example, if you want to change the font size, then bibliography title or anything else like that, you can change from the from the bibliography tab. Here. So it was a brief introduction about the options of the EndNote within the Word. In the coming videos, we will talk about the different options of the EndNote which are present within the library, and how we can use those options. If you have any questions, you can mention in the comments. I will try to answer that. Thank you.